This is the Adobe Test Kitchen showing you how to make tocino pork belly burnt ends. Now traditionally, pork tocino is sliced into thin strips, marinated and cured for days and boiled in water or fried in oil. We're not doing that. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the pork belly into cubes and we're going to smoke it low and slow for hours. Here are the ingredients. 4.5 pounds of skinless pork belly, 4 packets Mamacita's tocino mix, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of pineapple juice, and 1 stick of salted butter. We're going to start by cutting up the pork belly into 1.5 inch cubes. Next, we're going to add the 4 packets of the Mamacita's tocino mix. Mix it in real well and make sure each cube is evenly coated. Cover the bowl with foil and then place it in the fridge for about an hour. Get your smoker to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork belly directly on the grates. After about 2 hours, remove the pork belly from the smoker and into a pan. Now you're going to add the brown sugar, soy sauce, and the pineapple juice. Now add the stick of butter. Now we're going to seal this pan with foil and put it back on the smoker for about 2 hours covered and half an hour uncovered. And this is the finished product. Like traditional tocino, this is best served with garlic fried rice and a fried egg. Please try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.